Hello guys, welcome back to apputv and also happy Diwali in advance. Diwali is nearing, so we are deciding to make a special video, and in that video we are going to make a candle. So the most important things for a candle, we need wax and we'll need a mold, and as well we can't forget about a candle wick. If you have like 4 candles, you'll also need 4 of candle wicks. We'll just start with a spoon or anything you can hang this on, and just like this. You have to keep the wick straight to make it perfect. We can use dry rose petals to put in your mold so that it also gives out fragrance. So now I'm gonna put some in. Now it is time to melt the wax. We have melted our wax and put some color. We are gonna put some of my fragrance, 4 to 5 drops. Now I'm gradually gonna just put some in. Now we're just gonna put the rest into this one. We are finally done with these. We are gonna have to wait for 2 hours or maybe less or more. Now since we are waiting for the candles to dry, we're also gonna paint some diyas, and I'm gonna show you how to paint so beautiful diyas. These are the 2 designs that I've just made. Our diyas are looking good enough to be perfect. I'm gonna do this diya, and I think I'll do this design for my diya. Make sure you're using acrylic, otherwise if you use like watercolors and all, the effect is different. Over this one I've used pearl. So let's start. I normally like to do the bottom part early. Quick little hack, you can actually put the brush like this, and you can fill so many spaces. Yeah, good. Now since I haven't painted this part, I can flip this over without getting any color coming on this. Now I'm gonna do the golden part. Good. Going really good after all. Like and subscribe if you really love this one. Time to check on these beautiful candles. It's dry. It's good enough for it to come out. Ta-da! It's so beautiful. And yeah, I can't see the rose petals, but it's still so beautiful. But the back side is even more beautiful. It looks like an actual rose. Let's check on this one. It's perfect. Anyway, this is too good to be perfect. If you like my diyas and candles, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Till then, Apurva signing off.